On April 1, 2012, a firm purchased a machinery for rupees 2 lakh. On August 2015, the machinery became obsolete and was auctioned for rupees 90,000. The firm provides depreciation on its machinery at the rate of 10% per annum on written down value method. The books are closed on 31st March of every year. Show the necessary ledger accounts, assuming that provision for depreciation account is not maintained. That means our old method, where we are charging depreciation directly to the asset account, and if we are maintaining provision for depreciation account. These two methods have to be adopted for this question. Okay, now start solving it. So first year is 2012, and we have purchased a machinery. So we have to prepare machinery account first thing. Machinery account. And the date of purchase is April 1. To bank account, and the amount of purchase is 2 lakh. Now we have to check that in the financial year 2012-13, is there any more transaction regarding machinery account? So now the next transaction is given on August 1, 2015. So it means there is no other transaction in 2012-13. That's why we will complete this account. We will charge the depreciation. So 2013 March 31 by depreciation account. Now rate of depreciation is 10% per annum first thing, and the method which we have to use is written down value method. So reducing balance method we have to use this time. So 10% of 2 lakh will be 20,000, and because we have used this machinery for one complete year from April 1 to 31st March, that's why full year depreciation will be charged. Then we calculate the balance by balance CD. This time we are doing this question firstly with the previous method, with our old method, where we are charging depreciation to directly to the asset account. Now we will calculate the balance. So total will be 2 lakh. Here the total will be 2 lakh, and the balance will be 1,80,000. Now we will come to the next year, 2013, and on April 1 we will note down the balance. So there are two very important things to be noted, that in the previous method we charge depreciation directly to the asset account. We write the depreciation in the same account, and our value of asset keeps on reducing. We can rightly check what is the written down value of this asset after after writing of the depreciation. To balance brought down, Now the balance brought down is 1,80,000. Now the financial year is, accounting year is 2013-14. Again there is no transaction given in 2013-14. So we will directly reach to March 31st in 2014. We will charge a depreciation 31st March 31 by depreciation account. Now the written down value is 1,80,000. We have used this machinery again for one complete year. So 10% of 1,80,000 will be 18,000. And again we will calculate the balance. So the total will be 1,80,000. And the balance will be 1,62,000. If at any point of time you are feeling any difficulty in any question regarding any entry, any calculation, please let me know that. And if you are getting the question, keep responding in the chat box so that I will be able to know your feedbacks. Yes. To balance brought down. And the balance is 1,62,000. Now we will check the transaction in 2014-15. So obviously 2015 will end on March 31st and this transaction is after 31st March. So again there is no transaction in 2014-15. We will follow the same procedure. By depreciation account. Now the written down value is 1,62,000. and the machinery has been used again for one complete year. So we will charge 10% of 1,62,000 and the depreciation will be 16,200. We will again calculate the balance. We will write down the total year 1,62,000, 1,62,000, and when we will subtract 162 minus 6, 156, 146, 1,45,800. 1,45,800. Now we will come in the year 2015. April 1 to balance brought down 1,45,800. Now in 2015 we have sold out this machinery on August 1. August 1 to by bank account so we have sold out this for 90,000. Auction means also a sale, so don't get confused with this word. Then because we have used this machinery for some part of the year from April 1 to August 1, we will obviously charge the depreciation also by depreciation account. And the depreciation, how it will be calculated, just see the working note. 1,45,800 is the written down value. At the rate of 10% per annum, you will calculate the depreciation multiplied by time. So April, May, June, July. 4 months you have used. April, May, June, and July. July 31, yes. So 4 months depreciation will be charged. So we will show this calculation in working notes. Proper working note should be shown for that. And that depreciation will come 14,580 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So it will become 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, 3 6 are 4860. So it will come 4860. Now we will calculate the loss on the sale of this machinery by statement of profit and loss. So the total will be 1,45,800, and we will subtract 90,000 from it. So 1,45,000 to 1 lakh, and then 45, then 55, 51, 50,940. Yes, it will be 50,940. 50,940. This will be the loss, and because we are having only single machinery, that's why that machinery has been sold. The balance will become nil. You can check that this side has been completed with the total of 1,45,800 also. So in this way, our old method is complete now.